Have you ever walked away from a conversation feeling like something was missing? Like the words were exchanged, but the connection wasn't made? In an age where surface-level interactions dominate, the art of meaningful connection has become rare and powerful. As Epictetus once said, we have two ears and one mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. The Stoics understood that the right words, spoken with intention, could shape destinies and deepen relationships. Today we'll explore 6 subtle yet powerful phrases that can elevate your conversations from forgettable to unforgettable. These aren't pickup lines, they're mindset shifts. Let's begin. Number 1. The unique compliment. This subtle yet powerful compliment is incredibly effective in sparking curiosity and encouraging deeper conversation. By focusing on unique traits that go beyond physical appearance, you invite the other person to share more about themselves, fostering a genuine connection. This approach not only highlights your attentiveness, but also shows that you value their individuality, which can lead to more meaningful interactions. When delivering this compliment, it's essential to maintain eye contact as it conveys sincerity and engagement. A slight smile can further enhance your delivery, making the compliment feel warm and inviting. This combination of eye contact and a friendly demeanor creates an atmosphere of openness, encouraging the other person to respond positively and share more about their thoughts and experiences. By using this technique, you not only make the other person feel special, but also pave the way for a deeper, more enriching conversation that can strengthen your connection. If you're someone who values wisdom, growth, and deeper human connection, consider subscribing to the Stoic Code. This channel is your space to learn how ancient insights can quietly transform modern relationships. Number 2. Setting the standard. This phrase sets a standard that can significantly shift the dynamic in conversations, showcasing your confidence and independence, which are highly attractive traits. When you express this compliment, it not only reflects your self-assuredness, but also establishes a benchmark for the interaction, encouraging a more engaging dialogue. This psychological shift prompts women to feel inspired to prove themselves as they recognize that you appreciate depth and substance in conversations. By elevating the standard, you create an environment where both parties are motivated to share more meaningful insights and experiences. It's essential to use this phrase naturally, allowing it to flow seamlessly into your interactions. This authenticity enhances your communication, making it feel genuine rather than forced. As you incorporate this phrase into your conversations, you'll likely notice a positive change in the way women respond, leading to deeper connections and more fulfilling exchanges. Embrace this approach and watch how it transforms your interactions for the better. Number 3. The personalized praise. Exploring how this phrase elevates compliments reveals its power in creating a meaningful connection. Recognizing specific traits that make her unique is essential. It shows that you genuinely appreciate her individuality and not just her appearance. This thoughtful acknowledgement can deepen the bond between you as it conveys that you see her for who she truly is. Timing and authenticity are crucial when delivering this phrase. Choosing the right moment can amplify its impact, making it feel more sincere and heartfelt. A well-timed compliment can resonate deeply, leaving a lasting impression. Encourage viewers to pay attention to the details that resonate with her personality, such as her passions, interests, or quirks. By doing so, you not only enhance your compliments, but also demonstrate that you are invested in understanding her on a deeper level. This approach fosters a richer connection, transforming a simple compliment into a meaningful exchange that can strengthen your relationship significantly. Number 4. The Playful Challenge. Explaining the psychological triggers behind this playful challenge reveals how it creates intrigue and adds a fun element to the conversation. By presenting a lighthearted challenge, you invite the other person to engage in a playful exchange, which can spark curiosity and excitement. This dynamic encourages a sense of competition, prompting her to rise to the occasion and showcase her personality. It's essential to keep the tone light and teasing, as this approach fosters a relaxed atmosphere where both parties can enjoy the interaction without pressure. A playful challenge can break the ice and make conversations more memorable, allowing for deeper connections to form. Encourage viewers to incorporate this phrase into their interactions to maintain engagement and interest. By doing so, they can create a lively dialogue that not only entertains, but also strengthens the bond between them. Embracing this playful challenge can transform ordinary conversations into enjoyable experiences that leave a lasting impression. Number 5. The Confident Tease. Highlighting the playful confidence this phrase conveys, reveals its ability to spark curiosity and keep conversations dynamic. When you use this phrase, it not only showcases your self-assuredness, but also invites the other person to engage in a lively exchange. This playful approach encourages a back-and-forth dialogue, making the interaction more enjoyable and memorable. However, it's crucial to strike a balance between confidence and humility in your delivery. While you want to exude assurance, being approachable and relatable is equally important. This balance helps create an inviting atmosphere where the other person feels comfortable participating in the playful banter. Encourage viewers to incorporate this phrase into their interactions to generate excitement and enthusiasm. By doing so, they can transform ordinary conversations into vibrant exchanges filled with energy and intrigue. Embracing this playful confidence not only enhances communication, but also fosters deeper connections, making every interaction a delightful experience for both parties involved. Number 6. The intriguing boundary. Discussing how this phrase establishes boundaries while creating intrigue highlights its dual purpose in conversations. By using this phrase, you position yourself as someone who values their own worth, signaling to others that you have standards and are not afraid to express them. This self-assuredness can be incredibly attractive, as it shows that you respect yourself and expect the same from those around you. The importance of playful delivery cannot be overstated. Maintaining a light-hearted tone helps keep the conversation engaging and prevents it from feeling overly serious. This playful approach invites curiosity, encouraging the other person to explore the boundaries you've set while still feeling comfortable in the interaction. Encourage viewers to keep the mystery alive by not revealing everything about themselves too quickly. This element of intrigue enhances attraction, as it prompts the other person to want to learn more about you. By establishing boundaries with a playful twist, you create a captivating dynamic that fosters deeper connections. If you're finding value in these ideas, consider subscribing to the Stoic Code. Join a growing community of thoughtful individuals who are committed to mastering the art of meaningful conversation and living with intention. Each of these phrases carries the weight of presence, awareness, and self-respect. When used mindfully, they invite the kind of connection we all long for, not built on flash but on truth. From the subtle power of a personalized compliment to the quiet strength of setting playful boundaries, you now hold 6 keys to deeper, more authentic communication. Remember, daily consistency in your communication, not perfection, is what builds trust and intimacy over time. Let these phrases be the tools, but let your intention be the guide. Speak not to impress, but to connect. If you're enjoying these ideas, consider subscribing to the Stoic Code. It's a calm community space for people who want to grow, connect deeper, and speak with more purpose. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Choose thoughts and words that elevate. Until next time, walk the path with courage and clarity.